Good morning, students. Today our topic is Venn diagrams. Okay. First of all, A union B. A union B. This is A, this is B. A union B. A union B. A intersection B. A minus B. A minus B. B minus A. B minus A. A delta B, that is equal to A minus B union B minus A. This is called A delta B. A dash. A dash means not A. A dash means not A. Not A. A union B dash. A union B dash. A union B dash. Observe here. This is called A union B dash. S intersection A, that is equal to A, only A. Only A. This is called the S intersection A. It is called the A. A union A dash, that is equal to S. A union A dash, that is equal to S. It is called the overall. Yes. Next, A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash, that is equal to A dash union B dash. Next one, A union B whole dash, that is equal to A intersection B, A dash intersection B dash. A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Except A and B. Except A and B. Okay. These are the Venn diagrams. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.